when the rules don't apply. After midnight, we stop asking why. After midnight, your hands know my scars. No promises, just stars in the dark.
Underneath every move intentional, every touch emotional. I don't wanna hear your past or how long this feeling lasts. If it's only for tonight, let me feel it like it's right. If you leave before the sun, I won't chase, I won't cry. Just remember how we burn in the quiet of the night. After midnight, we become who we are. After midnight, no mask, no guard. After midnight, your breath on my neck. No promises, no regrets. Heavy rolling log drums, deep sub bass, minimal pads, vocal chops and whispers looping. Right here till it's beat. Don't disappear mid-fight. No lies, no truth, just skin and truthless youth. If this ends with daylight, I'm okay, I'll be alright. After midnight, I start running from myself. After midnight, I don't need nobody else. After midnight, if this fades with the sun, no promises, but damn, we were one. Phone on silent, night unlocked. Heart on rhythm, don't need clock. Every smile feel lightweight, like the sun don't wanna wait. Your laugh cutting through the air, good energy everywhere. If the world moving too fast, I slow it down when we dance. No drama, no regret, only what we feeling next. If the beat's already blessed, why you wanna overthink? One touch, no stress. When you pull me close like that, one touch, no stress. Every worry fades to black. One touch, no stress. Let the rhythm do the rest. If tonight is all we get, one touch, no stress.
Naija breathe in your tone. Every step feel like home. Amapiano in my ways, got me smiling out of place. No big plans, no control, just the groove inside my soul. If tomorrow calls my name, tell it wait, I'm entertained. Don't explain, don't pretend, let the feeling recommend. If the bass already said everything I never said. One touch, no stress.
Let it go, don't second guess. One touch, no stress. Every move say yes, yes, yes. One touch, no stress. From the chest into the steps. If you feel it, don't confess. Just one touch, no stress. I replay this afternoon. Every time the beat returns, so does everything I learned. One touch, no stress. That's the rule I'm living next. If the world don't let me rest, your rhythm passed the test. One touch, no stress. Even chaos sounds like yes. If I'm lost inside the mess, your touch, no stress. One touch, no stress. One touch, no stress. Yeah. No stress, no stress. No stress. Still becoming. I used to rush every dream, running faster than my feet, trying to be everything for people who couldn't see. I was straight like armor, smiles covering the scars. But every night alone, I was breaking in the dark. Now I listen when my heart speaks. Even silence feel like truth. I don't fight the way I'm growing. I let healing move me through. I'm still becoming. I don't have it figured out. I'm still becoming, learning what love's about. I'm still becoming, not who they want, but who I am. If I'm not there yet, I'm still becoming. I forgive my younger self for mistakes I couldn't help. Every fault taught me the ground. Every tear taught me myself. I don't envy perfect lives. I don't chase another phase. What is meant to recognize the rhythm of my pace. If I'm quiet, let me be. I'm not lost, I'm listening. If I pause, don't pull me fast. I'm hurling the past. I'm still becoming. Every breath a brand new start. I'm still becoming. Putting light back in my heart. I'm still becoming. I don't rush what's meant to land. If I'm not whole yet, I'm still becoming. I'm still becoming. I'm still becoming. I'm still becoming. Hey, warm love drums, soft bass, floating pads like guitar echoes. I'm okay. One step, right on time, still becoming. Warm love drums, soft bass, floating gas like guitar echoes. I'm okay. One state, right on time. I don't need to prove my worth. I was born enough. I don't need to rush the bloom. Even flowers take time. What's for me is finding me. Even when I stand still, I trust the road I'm on. Even when it bends. If I fall again someday, I'll be gentle, I'll stay kind. I don't fear the in-between. That's where I align. I'm still becoming, and I'm proud of where I am. Still becoming, with my heart open again. I'm still becoming, not perfect, just alive. If I'm not there yet, I'm still becoming. I'm still becoming. I'm still becoming. I'm still becoming.
Drum knocking in my chest. Every step feels dangerous. Your smile says don't behave, so I follow how you sway.
Heat rising, drinks have gone. DJ playing our song. If tomorrow asks my name, I'll pretend we never came. Take it deep, but take it low. Feel the sound inside your bones. No directions, no relief. Just repeat the therapy. Slow and therapy. Healing every part of me. So slow, I forget what I should know. Slow and therapy, only thing I really need. If the night don't let us go, I'm okay with moving slow. nothing here that needs a call. Baseline heavy, hearts align. We don't count another sign. If the world is on delay, let it stay that way tonight. No future written down, just a now, just a sound. If tomorrow comes too fast, let it trip on what we had. Echoes don't ask for names, they only remember flames. Every move inside the dark leaves a signature on my heart. Echoes don't ask for names, no promises, no chains. If we vanish with the beat, I'll still feel you when it fades. Drops it low, feels like he already knows. Your shadow dancing with mine, like we crossed a thinner line. Not lost, just rearrange. Nothing here we need to change. Let the speakers testify, let the floor relearn to fly. Every kick a memory, every drop a stay with me. Echoes don't ask for names, they survive without a face. Even silence leaves a trace when we disappear in base. Echoes don't ask for names. If this night forgets the frame, I'll remember how it felt when we lost ourselves, not shame. If the lights come up too soon, I'll keep dancing in my room. No goodbye, no release, just your rhythm haunting me. Windows open, sky turning gold. Last song playing, body's cold. Makeup faded, truth exposed. But I like you like this the most. Street sounds breaking the spell. Night memories I won't tell. Coffee cups and tired eyes, still dancing while the city wakes. No regrets in the room, just the echo of the groove. If this ends when daylight calls, I'm okay, I felt it all. First light, last dance, holding on without a plan. If we fade with the night behind, I'll remember how it felt. First light, last dance, no more pretending we can. If the sun takes you away, I'll let the rhythm understand. Loud drum softer, heartbeat slow. Every move in afterglow. Silence loud between our breaths. Nothing left we haven't said. Shoes off, time standing still. Music low, but I can feel. If this is where the story ends, I'm good with how it bends. Let the morning take its place. I'll keep last night on replay. No promise, no demand, just a memory in my hands. First light, last dance, holding on without a plan. If we fade with the night behind, I remember how it felt. First light, time takes you away, I'll let the rhythm understand. Last dance. Yeah. No words tonight. Just feel me. You don't talk, but I can hear everything you feel right here. In the way you hold the time, every move speaking inside. City breathing slow and warm, underneath the quiet storm. Your shadow close, skin to skin. I let the silence pull me in, no need to say what's true. Your eyes already do, every breath, every touch, telling me I'm in love. Your silence feels like love, louder than the words we hide. Every time you pull me close, I feel the truth you never say. Your silence feels like a song inside my blood. No promises, no disguise. Your silence feels like love. Dog drunk, knocking soft and deep, matching secrets that we keep. Your waist moving slow and sure, every moment feeling pure. Sweat and sound begin to melt. I forget the world I left. If tomorrow never comes, tonight already says enough. Stay right here, don't let go. Let the rhythm guide us slow. No direction, no control, just your soul touching my. Your silence feels like love, louder than the words we hide. Every time you pull me close, I feel the truth you never say. Your silence feels like a song inside my blood. No promises, no disguise. Your silence feels like love. Feel it. Slow, slow. Don't speak. If we never speak again, I'll still know what this has been. In the quiet, your silence feels like love. stand by loud to low. We go slow. Midnight calling in my body, city glowing in the skin. There is something like a promise, every touch pulling me in. Champagne dripping from the speakers, bassline talking to my waist. You don't gotta say you want it, I can read it on your face. Time moving slow when you're near me. Every breath feel brand new. If tomorrow comes too early, I don't wanna wake up from you. All night, no sleep, body on me, all night, no sleep. Feel the rhythm inside me. No stress, no fear, only you and the beat. All night, no sleep, no sleep. All night, no sleep. Yeah, all night, no sleep. Slow wine, moving like the ocean. Every step match the drum. Your hands speaking with emotion, saying things your lips won't run. DJ still in our reflection, in the mirror of the crowd. Every glance feel like a secret, every silence screaming loud. If the sun tries to find